First of all, we need to clean up everything here. So we're gonna have to go to index and start removing things that we don't need. So if we go to accounts in resources, I'm surprised we don't have it here yet, which means we need to refresh. We'll click on refresh, get back to resources, views, look at it, accounts, and now we're looking for add a table. The user ID, who needs the user ID? We don't. And total credit, total debit, withdrawal method. This is just an account, so we don't need to know the withdrawal method. Payment email, we don't need payment email, so let's start from payment email. Payment email should be gone, and payment email, we should only see it only when we want to see more. I think bank account, branch name, everything, even country. Oops. Order details gone. Bank account, branch name. I think there's a little mistake we made somewhere, which we have to go back and fix. Now people should be able to apply. Let's say you have $500 in your account. People should be able to apply so that they can withdraw. You understand? So we need to add that to the migration and rerun that migration again. So database, migration, database, we're looking for the accounts. So we want to track when someone has applied for payouts. So what do we call it? Table, string, applied for payout. That's if the owner wants to withdraw. We can call default should be no. Then we should also save the date the person applied. So we can say table date applied, and I should make it a string since we don't. Date applied, date paid. Alright, so it should be nullable and very nullable, so it can afford to be empty. This is important. So applied for payout, yes. Date applied, date paid, that's the last date paid. So if the person has applied for payout, we need to check whether they have been paid. So I could say paid string paid, and default is 0. Okay, beautiful. So what we want to achieve at the end of the day is, if somebody applies for payouts, we should be able to pull out a list of everyone that has applied for payouts. I think this should be integer. So if you have applied, we should just see that yes, 0, you've not applied. So if you have applied, we should just see that the person, we should be able to pull a list of people that have applied. Then on paid, we should be able to see the people, we should be able to know whether admin has paid the person, whether the transfer has gone. Alright, applied and paid. Then we should know the last date applied. I think I should call it latest or last date applied. The date the person applied for the last one, and the date the person got paid. Now we should be able to, once somebody applies for payout, we'll nullify the rest of this. So there might be better ways to do this, but we're trying to build a very slim, lean application, because otherwise we would have taken this to another table to make sure it's in third normal form. But this way it's either in first or second, but we'll have to manage it. So what we have to do again is run migration. Just run your own migration. PHP Artisan migrate. Oops. Migrate fresh. So once we run the migration, we do what we did before, which is create the scaffold for accounts, and that's done. Alright, so in the next video we'll simply log in, we'll create a new account. Remember that this wipes your page, so if I refresh, we should be all logged out now. It's logged out. So like we did before, we have to go to the web.php file that is in our resource routes web. At the bottom here, it has created this new route for us. We'll delete it since we already have it here, accounts. It's gone. And what else? We need to refresh so that we can sign up. Click on sign up. I'll fill the sign up form. I just finished filling the form. In case you're wondering if there's a way to automatically enter this if you keep running migration, yes, there's a way in Laravel to generate dummy data. Okay. Now we have transaction accounts, account histories. So you see, it created accounts link twice for us, 1, 2. So we have to go to layouts and remove it. So we go to resources views. We're looking for layouts. I'll drag this. So we're looking for layouts. And we're looking for menu. Cool. So if we're looking at the menu right now, what you will observe is that at the bottom here, it has added these 3 menus. So we're going to remove that and copy everything and put at the top. Everybody can have access to their account and their account histories. So if we come here, we'll refresh and we are good to go. Beautiful. If we click on accounts now, everything is now listed here. So in the next video, we'll clean up this. Thank you very much.